Hi, I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. In this video, I show you how to draw an easy step-by-step picture of baby eyes. Enjoy! So here we're going to start our pair of baby eyes. And baby eyes differ from adult eyes in how they're spaced and their size in relation to the rest of the face. Their eyes might appear bigger compared to their face. And of course the skin around their eyes is very smooth and has less color and texture detail than adults. Now all babies are different, of course, and they have different styles of eyes. Some babies have bigger eyes, some appear smaller, and some just look different because of the amount of fat on their face or the skin that folds over from their nose. So here we have the basic shape, and I left some circles to indicate the parts that I should leave white for the light reflected. And the skin color is not very complicated. Baby's skin is very smooth and doesn't have as much color going on as adults do. But we do have some folds for the upper and lower lids and for the nose area. So we'll show that with a little bit darker colors of pink. And just like a baby, when they're born, their abilities are undeveloped. Their eyesight is as well. So they can see from birth, but they don't really know how to use both eyes together in a coordinated way. They can see best things that are 8 to 10 inches from their face, and as all those baby toys will show, they can see best high contrasts like black and white or very bright colors. Sometimes their eyes will appear crossed, which is normal. But if an eye turns in and out too much, that could be a warning sign. In general, their eyesight should be evaluated at some point in their first year, since eyesight is so important for development in general. It's an important thing to check out to make sure everything is as it should be. So these are brown eyes. And unlike the adult eye that you can see a lot more detail, their eyes are smaller and there's just less going on in there in terms of all those lines from the pupil. so they have a much smoother, shinier look. And we'll just layer all these brown shades to give it that smoothness and shininess. And of course we're leaving those little white circles clean and bright. And for the less bright reflections, we'll just leave off some color and not color it as deeply as the rest of the eyeball. Oh, baby's eyebrows are also pretty mild, usually very light in color, depending on the ethnicity of the baby, but in general I don't think babies are born with very bushy eyebrows in any case. And their eyelashes are usually very sparse, although you might have a baby with very long ones. So in the first few months of a baby's life, they start tracking moving objects and developing their hand-eye coordination, reaching for things. In general, they have good color vision by 5 months. And their depth perception also is developed around then. In general, when babies start to crawl, they develop all these abilities with their eyes a lot more, since they're constantly moving around and reaching for things and they have to see where they're going. So here we're taking off some color to show the darker reflections. And here's our baby with smiling eyes. Hope you enjoyed watching. Check out my other body part videos. And you can comment if you like it. So thanks for watching.